everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected here at Bloomreach Connect 2018, and I'm joined by Naveen Manga, a VP of Customer Journey Technology and Delivery at Hilton. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for also sitting down, because we just spoke with your colleague as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're going to cover more of the technology side, which we're really excited about.
Sure.
So you guys obviously, everyone knows Hilton is a hotel brand, right? And so you guys have been around for so long, but you obviously had to get a transformation to your customer journey in the digital age. So why don't you walk us through that a bit?
Sure. You know, our customer journey essentially is a 5-part act.
Mm-hmm.
Our customers dream, they shop, they book, they stay at our properties, and post-stay they advocate.
Yeah.
So my team works on pretty much inspiring and empowering every part of that customer journey. So whether it's the website or the mobile app or connect a room or call center application or property management, we're going through a full stack transformation of all those monolith systems that we have in our enterprise in order to be fast and nimble and be able to accelerate speed to market. So if you think of it, so the monolith systems that we have, we're decomposing them into things like looking at the UX layers and looking at technologies like React and Angular and taking advantage of the single page application architecture on the UX side. On the middleware services, we're kind of using API first mentality, being able to decompose microservices and be able to serve those services up for any consumption, any viewpoint is a strategy there. And on the infrastructure side, we're really moving away from an on-prem based infrastructure to a cloud native web scale platform to be able to get that pace and throughput that we need for our systems of differentiation and even for systems of engagement. So that's how the transformation is happening today.
Awesome. And then what's sort of more the hands-on technology that you're using, like sort of at the customer level?
Sure. At the customer level, so we have 2 native apps, Android and iOS. Well, we're about 50% complete in our transformation of our iOS roadmap, where we're taking code base that was written in Objective-C for Apple and moving it to Swift. Right, we're doing the same thing on the Android side. The code base is Java right now. We're kind of moving to Kotlin as the technology platform for mobile apps.
Yeah.
On the web, you know, our website pretty much it brings about 20% of our revenue to the company. So pretty important asset. There's nothing wrong with our current website built on a Java stack, but we're kind of again taking this similar mindset and debunking this notion of a big monolith system and breaking it down into React on the front end, be able to use GraphQL technology on the middle layer that eventually talks to microservices on the back end, which are RESTful services. So having that capability to be able to deploy the site in containers and deploy the site at will versus today's environment, we have to compile the entire app, deploy it as one file versus deploying search separately, book separately, customer support separately gives us that ability to innovate faster.
Yeah, and again, because the question I had for her, because we talk so infrequently to people in the hotel market, what are some of the technology trends that you're really embracing there?
Yeah, most of the technology trends we're kind of seeing in the hotel market actually stem from home, right? If you think about it, I'm not sure if you own an Alexa or you talk to your phone regularly using Siri, but our customers are used to having a set of automation technology in their homes, and it's almost like table stakes for them to expect similar technologies in the guest room. So we've already launched Digital Key, which is a capability. A problem we were trying to solve there is to be able to remove the friction in the customer journey where you have to stand in line to check in or check out, and instead go straight to your room. You're a traveler yourself, so being able to digitally check in, pick your room, opt into a digital key, and once the business rules on the back end satisfy, i.e. you have a credit card that we can charge you to, you're a guest that we recognize, we're going to issue you a digital key that you can now use your mobile phone to enter the room. So beyond that, once you're in the room, we want to continue using the mobile device as a command center and give the choice and control to the guests to be able to operate and control every aspect of the room. Thermostat, blinds, light switch, you name it, right? So being able to fully automate that experience via a connected room is what we're kind of going after.
That's awesome. Well, thanks so much. This has been wonderful.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.